Alright everybody, coming to you from the parking lot. My car battery is dead, so it's being fixed. But you know, I look for the blessings and everything, and the blessing was this. I saw this large bird land in the tree. You guys all know this tree, so the nest is up there. You just have to get at a certain vantage point. Let me go over here and see if we can see it any better. Get to a certain vantage point, enjoy that nest. Oh, this might be it. Here we are, Norwood Creek. Oh, there it is, right up there. You guys see it? Right there. Oh, there goes the bird into it. Perfect. See if I can zoom in a little bit. Yeah, I think that's it. I'm not sure, I don't have my glasses on. There it is. So you might want to get at this spot sometime and come enjoy that large bird's nest. I don't know if it's an egret or and get a good look at it, but oh, there it is. There it goes. There, across the street. All right. Okay, there you have it. Live from Norwood Creek Elementary School in San Jose. I'm Mr. Griffith for National Geographic.